Hi again. In this video we will talk about the complaints by employee. In the previous video we talk about the complaints record, and now we will talk about the complaints by employee. Basically from now on everything will be simpler. All we have to do in all the tabs that will come forward, it will be just to click something and will be presented everything automatically. In this one you will have everything, every detail about uh, this particular employee for this particular year. So you have the option to select 2025 or any other year recorded in the system, and employee for all your employee recorded in the settings tab. So for this particular employee, Jessica Smith, let me just select another one to show you how this is working, as you see here. And William Brown, as you see, is a complaint specialist and it is active. If we go back to the Jessica Smith, we see that Jessica Smith is position 1 and department 1. I have just recorded the data, so that's why you have this see this DME data. So we have Jessica Smith, the name of the employee, total allowed 10 mistakes per yearly. This is coming from the settings tab. When you have recorded the employee total mistakes, how many mistakes Jessica Smith has done for 2025, and how much money the company has lost because of mistakes done by Jessica Smith. You have the employee details, position, department, and tenure. Below you have all the main category, 12 main categories, and you have the specific amount lost, the amount lost by specific category. So this $536 lost by Jessica Smith. 136 has been lost on the safety and hazard issues, and the rest on delivery and shipping issues. Of course, maybe this is not a real case scenario, because maybe Jessica Smith is not working on delivery or shipping issues, and it's not related to her, but you understand the idea of that. When these are be real data with real departments, with real employees, everything will list it out very nicely. Further, employee performance, you have January, February up to December. You have the number of complaints, and all these are based on Jessica Smith fault. Okay, she's at fault for this. This is all the employees or Jessica Smith has been assigned as guilty, to say so, for the complaints. Okay, so everything here is based on this one, on this specific fault. If we have employee Jessica Smith, this complaint and this amount lost is because of Jessica Smith. So in the complaints by employee, this is what you will see when Jessica Smith has been assigned as fault, as guilty for a specific complaint. Okay, to be clear and know what you have in front of you. So in January, Jessica Smith on January 2nd, one mistake generated $200 lost. In January 6th, one mistake, she generated $68 lost. On February 2nd, again 200 lost. And on June 6th, again one complaint has been found as guilty with $68 lost. These are identical because these records are some of these just copy pasted as a numeric, and these are quite identical. Okay, uh, and below this employee performance, you have this chart representing the amount lost per month to see. So as you see here, in January, Jessica Smith has generated the largest amount, $268 lost because of errors done by Jessica Smith. You have in the right side a total for every month. So for January, Jessica Smith has been found guilty, to say so, twice, and with a total of $268. In February once, $200. In total, she has made 4 mistakes from a total of 10 mistakes allowed for the entire 2025. And if you go forward and want to see another employee, for example William Brown, William Brown is having two mistakes done, 7 allowed, $642. And when? In January 4th and April, for April. Okay, these are identical because the logs are identical, are just copy pasted, and these are not real situations. And both mistakes of William Brown are related to packaging and related issues. And you see here January 1, 321, and the chart representing these mistakes and amount lost. This is all you have to do here, and I think you will find everything useful. There is nothing you may need for an employee related to an employee, and you cannot find it in this tab. In the next tab, complaints monthly, I'm going to present it to you in the next video because I want to keep it short, and I don't want to make it too long. Okay, saying goodbye for now. See you in the next video with the complaints monthly. Thank you.